Hey, now this looks perfect. This is dope. Even with my sunglasses on, golden hour. There's people out there who probably haven't even tried the car or haven't even felt the way the chassis or the engine works. And it's just brilliant. It's brilliant. There's a dog running on the street. For what it is, a 2-liter 4-cylinder sounds absolutely amazing. They knew what they were doing in terms of that as well. Again, hinting at drivers' vehicles. And to me, that's what we should be building nowadays. Even though we have all these safety features, right? Like all of these lane assistance and speed limit control, whatnot. The fact that they simplify everything for me is why I love the car. Like, look, Josip, you have a button right here and you turn off everything instantaneously. Like, those are the things that you think of, and even though you're now forced by the regulations to have assistance like this, it's so great that you give the option for people to turn it off in such a simplistic manner. And I think that's what's breathtaking about having a car like this.
Have to go through all
of the menus in order to turn it off. And also physical buttons. Josip, physical buttons.
Do not push the button.
For us drivers, we have physical buttons to enjoy, to touch, to feel. Cupra, we really missed the mark in terms of promoting this. That's just my honest opinion. Considering you released the Terramar and then you kind of excluded the fact that the Formentor even existed. So don't worry, we'll do it for you. Focus on these type of cars. Keep building this. This is what we want from you. We want driver vehicles. We want cars that we could take out on the back road and enjoy it for what it is. And this is like the issue that I have with car companies at the moment. They build things that already exist on the market. They're building the exact same thing, only with a slight different look, like the Tiguan. Like this, sure, people are gonna say, yeah, bro, but this is exactly the same as the Q3 as well. No, it's not. Because there is the SQ3, don't get me wrong, but if anyone has driven an SQ3, you know that it doesn't feel anything like this car. It feels very understeery. And Cupra was always meant to be like the sporty division of Seat, right? It's like the racing division of Seats. And to me, like, they should just stick with the formula that they know. I feel like with the Terramar, they'll just be like, yeah, it's nice, it's good, don't get me wrong, it's a great family car, but what I don't understand is you released it like a couple of months after you released the redesign of the Formentor, and you already knew that the Formentor is such a great product. Like, people really wanted it. You racked up some deers, again. After you try this with this specific engine, right, with the 2-liter 4-cylinder with 333 horsepower, you go to the Terramar and you try out even the 205 or 260, which is the biggest spec Terramar you can get out there, and it's not even gonna be as rewarding as this car is. This car feels so rewarding to drive. It's exactly what you paid for. You're getting exactly what you want.